Alright, so for this video, I'm going to solve the equation x to the power of x is equal to 2. So to solve this, I'm going to use logarithms and the properties that come with logarithms. So I'm going to first start by taking the ln, or natural log, on both sides. So I get ln x to the power of x is equal to ln 2. Now, if I have something in the form ln a to the power of b, this is equal to b times ln a. So I have ln of x to the power of x, and I can move x to the front. So now I get I get x times ln x is equal to ln 2. Now I'm going to be using the W-Lambert function, which states that if I take the w of something in the form x times e to the power of x, this is equal to x. So we're going to want to put this in the form x times e to the power of x, so then I can use the W-Lambert function to simplify this. Well, to do that, I'm going to take I'm going to rewrite x as e to the power of ln x, because e to the power of ln x is equal to x. The ln and e cancel out. And now, x in this case is ln of x. So I have ln of x times e to the power of ln x. And now I can use the W-Lambert function on both sides. So I get w of e to the power of ln x times ln x is equal to w of ln 2. And now I'm left with ln x is equal to w of ln 2. So now to further simplify this, because we're just solving for x, I'm going to take e to the power of both sides. So now the e and ln x ln cancel out. So I'm left with x is equal to e to the power of w of ln 2. So this is my answer. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve an interesting exponential equation. So my equation is 100 to the power of x is equal to 400. And I want to find the value of x. So we see that x is going to be in between 1 and 2, because 100 to the power of 1 is 100, and 100 to the power of 2 is 10,000. So it's going to be more closer to 1 than it is 2, but it's going to be somewhere in the range of 1 and 2. So to solve this, what I'm going to be using is logarithms. So I'm going to first start by taking the log on both sides. So I get log 100 to the power of x is equal to log 400. And if I have something in the form log a to the power of b, I move this exponent b to the front, so I get b times log a. In this case, I have log 100 to the power of x. I can move x to the front, so I get x times log 100 is equal to log 400. Now, I'm going to take the log of base 100. So, log base 100 of 100 is just 1. And log base 100 of 400, well, 400 is the same thing as 100 times 4. So I can rewrite this as log base 100 of 100 times 4, which is equal to log of 4 over log of 100. and I have 1 plus this because of this. So now log of 4 is the same thing as log of 2 squared, and log of 100 is the same thing as log of 10 squared. So I can move the 2 to the front and the 2 to the front over here. So I get x is equal to 1 plus 2 log 2 over 2 log 10. These two cancel out, so I get x is equal to 1 plus log 2 over log 10, which is equal to 0.301. So x is equal to 1.301.